Okay, I just wanted to show everybody that Clarice, my cat, likes butternut squash. Oh. Oh, she likes butternut squash. She's a health freak. Clarice, it's like baby food. Let's see if I can get a little more. This is a lot. Oh my goodness, look at her. Clarice, psst, sit down. Uh-oh, here comes the vulture, Maddie. Maddie, would you want to try? Can't even see your head on this picture. You're so dark. Here, Maddie, you want it? Clarice. Psst, psst. Clarice. Maddie. Can't even see him. You see a tongue, that's all. Oh, Maddie likes it too. Clarice, you like that? I'll give you more. Come here, Clarice. Come on. Oh, Maddie. Let Clarice have some. Maddie. Come here, Maddie. Psst, 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 psst. Come on. You're funny, Maddie. You're funny. You have a funny face. Okay, that's enough. No more butternut squash.